Earn up to $499 to $999 just from playing games as a side hustle. Let me show you how I and you can start making money from it in the next 24 hours. No investment needed, no degree needed. Meet Free Cash, a legit website where you can earn real cash, crypto, or gift cards just by doing simple tasks. And yes, that includes playing games. It's trusted by millions of users and payouts are fast and sometimes instant. Go to Free Cash and sign up with your email. Step 1, head to the Earn tab. Step 2, select Android or iOS according to your device. Even Mac is available. Here's how you can earn from it. Choose a game offer. Most games pay you to reach a certain level or complete a task, and you get your payout directly in your wallet. For example, download a game, reach level 10 in a set time or number of days, and get paid. The better the task, the higher the rewards. And an important thing, always read the tasks carefully. Some tasks take 2 to 3 days to complete, but the reward is worth it. And here are some hacks to increase your earnings. 1. If you're located in a tier 3 country like India, Indonesia, and many others, use a VPN guide called VPN Lie and connect to a USA server. This will change your region tier from lower to higher. That's it. Now you're literally playing games and making money passively. It's a great source of passive income for any teenager who wants to build their career step by step. This channel is not limited to side hustles or passive income. We'll explain how to build yourself as a brand and grow a page with the highest earnings. This is just the beginning of the Hydollar channel. Subscribe for more step-by-step business guidance.